From core to door, nobody does more than Gallop. Let me show you what I mean. I'm Ted, owner of Gallop Brush Company, leaders of brushes, cores, doors, and retrofit manufacturing. Step inside and drive with me as we talk about a few of the many Gallop products that really shine for car wash owners like you.
First up, Gallop stepped wheel brushes. These brushes fill multiple roles inside your car washes.
Built on Gallop's state-of-the-art equipment, the longer brushes clean the rims of vehicles, while the shorter brushes take care of the tires.
Our top brushes are next. They remove tough grime and dirt. They work their magic from above.
Like many of our Gallop brushes, they're made from super tough, ultra long-lasting G-Flex foam, ensuring world-class clean and enduring performance.
Now we're on to the side with rocker brushes.
With the sides of the car being one of the most visible spots, it's crucial you equip with the best. Ours are quiet on the vehicle, they buff as they shine, and don't absorb dirt or water.
Inside here, you will see one of our favorite Gallop innovations, CoreGuard.
CoreGuard is the center of any high-functioning car wash, protecting your equipment, ensuring long-time workability for your car wash brushes.
For the finest industry clean on wraparounds, use Gallop's Spaghetti Brush.
It provides improved cleaning, low noise, and a soft touch on the vehicle. For a more aggressive option, our industry-standard soft cloth can withstand anything your customers throw at it.
Here's a fun one, Mitter Curtains.
Drivers experience gentle yet effective cleaning and are extra soft, ensuring thorough but safe washes every time.
And now for the latest and greatest, Gallop's Dry Soft Top Brush, loaded with innovations to ensure a streak-free dry, no matter what.
Have a look at the curvature here, specifically designed to wick moisture with ultra efficiency.
And finally, the ClearView Door.
Our doors are specially made to keep the good air in and the costly air leaks out, all while allowing visibility from inside out and from the outside in. Drivers can see if you're open, even if your door is closed.
The ClearView Door, a signature Gallop innovation.
We're car wash people doing what we do best, and your car wash is the reason we do it. Give Gallop a spin, and you'll see why there's only one.
There's only one.
There's only one.
There's only one Gallop.